Eliminate the problematic factory water and fuel sensor on your Duramax with the XDP WIF Sensor Delete. The factory sensor is made from plastic and often strips, cracks, or breaks. A damaged sensor can cause air leaks and other fuel system issues. XDP's WIF Sensor Delete plug is a quick and simple fix to this problem. Made from a T6 billet aluminum construction, the XDP WIF Sensor Delete plug simply threads into the bottom of your fuel filter with a fuel filter wrench or with a 3/8 inch drive ratchet. Each WIF Sensor Delete plug comes complete with a new O-ring and is ready for installation. To find out more about the XDP Duramax WIF Sensor Delete, check out xdp.com or find a local dealer near you.